I'm wondering how many of you guys have taken this silver signal. It was really a very profitable signal again from Xtreme Trader. So as you can see, this was my signal on the silver, which I have sent last week, and this was of course our triggering area, and the silver has went straight to the take profit level, making over 156 pips of profit. Congratulations again for those who have taken this signal. So again, it was really a very profitable week for Xtreme Trader family. Regardless if you trade the silver, gold, forex, surely you have made a lot of profits with our signals. I have no idea why I drew this here. Maybe to play around. I don't know. Anyway, I have no idea why I did that. Let's now, guys, start analyzing the silver. But before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And kindly leave a comment and share the video. So let's now first of all go to the weekly chart. So as you know, guys, here in Xtreme Trader, our style is always to look at the weekly and daily chart to confirm the direction of the market. We will confirm if it's going to be bullish or bearish. After that, we will switch to the smaller time frame, such as 4-hour time frame or even 1-hour time frame, to find the exact entry. And here we will use a lot of tools to find the sniper entry that we are seeking. So first things first, let's now go to the weekly chart and start analyzing. So here is of course the weekly chart on the silver. Now of course the very first thing that we can notice here is the weakness in the level. So right now, as you can see here, the silver has actually been unable to make a bullish breakout from the resistance right here at the bracket of 32. Now remarkably, we have here back in September 2024, we have one bullish breakout candle happened here from this level of a resistance, but of course the market has actually failed to create a single attempt of the support, ending up with a fake breakout from this level. And recently, back in December, we can see that the silver has already retested this level of a resistance, and even right now in February 2025, the market is still unable to break out from this level of a resistance. So the candle has actually been able to exceed this level, but of course the bears were stronger than the bulls, and they took the candle to close exactly below this level of a resistance zone. Not only that, but of course we have ended up with a head and shoulders pattern. So all of that says that we have a good chance to start actually shorting the silver. So weekly chart confirms that the bearish movement is controlling. Let's now move to the daily chart. Alright, so now here daily chart, of course, we are seeing here the same candle that we have seen here, a weaker in the level. And as you can see here, the candle has a close as a pin bar. Again, all of that indicates a continuation in the bearish momentum. So what we can see right here also, based on the daily chart, this is daily chart for the records. Now what we can see right here on daily chart is a broken level of a support trend line that indeed has been broken out from. Check this out. So here support trend line number 1, number 2, 4, 5, 6, and here finally the retest of that level. Not only 1 but 2. So we have here 2 attempts of a resistance trend line. Interesting. And the second attempt has actually closed as a pin bar. So again, confirming that the market most likely is going to be bearish. So now we have confirmed based on weekly and daily chart that we are looking to sell the silver. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame, and here we will try to find our decent entry. Now I would like first of all to squeeze the chart like this, because looking at this is just like a yuck. I mean, I cannot really get anything here. It's just lots of ups and downs, and it's just really hard to my eyes to spot the reversal points. But if I do like this, oh, yeah, that's actually better. Now it's actually easier to be read. Now we can see here clearly that we even have a channel as something that actually wasn't really that clear for me in the previous perspective, or actually previous view. So now as you can see here, of course, we have a clear channel. And currently the silver is actually ranging here at the new level of a support trend line, which was in the past here a resistance trend line, as you can see. So right now at the opening of the market by Monday, we can actually expect a pullback to happen. So a pullback will happen, but surely again, because weekly and daily chart confirms the bearish direction, that means that after this pullback, we can expect to sell the silver at a certain point. From my point of view, and actually one of the strongest strategies that I ever had here on this channel, is to sell right here exactly at the same level of a real resistance right here exactly. Let me just be precise as much as possible. Right here exactly, yes. So here, if the market will make a pullback, it will actually face here a real level of a resistance, and most likely it will has to respect this level, and afterward it will continue the fall toward the same level here of a supported trend line. So that means that we can actually start shorting right here at that level of a resistance. Let me just now bring the chart to the normal perspective. So now, how we can find the exact level of where to sell the silver? The answer this time, guys, lies with the Fibonacci retracement. So let's now draw here a Fibonacci retracement and check this out. Fantastic. Now it shows me that here we have, of course, Fibonacci 38.2, which also marks the same level of a resistance, and that tells us that we can actually wait for the silver to rise to another 40 pips, and then hopefully we can start selling the silver exactly right here at the same level of a resistance, targeting, of course, the Fibonacci 119, which also matches with the previous level of a supported trend line. And by the way, Fibonacci 119 is not by default there in the Fibonacci. Let me just show you my settings here, so in case you guys want to add it also. Let me just here show it to you, Fibonacci properties. I have it here somewhere. Actually, this is right here. If you guys want to end the entries, it's just right there in front of you. Actually, the purpose of Fibonacci 119 is to find the fake breakouts, but that's actually quite old thing that I'm not using anymore. But anyway, this is going to be our take profit level. Right here exactly at this level of a support, just a little bit above Fibonacci 119, which was of course here a previous level of a support as well. That being said, we will actually aim around 158 pips of profit, which is same of our previous take profit level, and our safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging much higher than Fibonacci 23.6, ranging for around 50 pips only. Let me now please write this signal for you. And there goes our new silver signal, my friends. I really hope this one is going to be profitable, and hopefully we will all make good profits with it. And of course, don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about the signal. I might tell you here on this Telegram to close the signal in a small loss or even a profit, or to adjust the entry, adjust the take profit level, you name it. I will send you all kinds of updates about any signal that I'm sending here on YouTube. For example, here, we had an update about the gold signal, as you can see, where I have told my followers to avoid the bearish reversal and just close the trade in profit. So again, guys, here is the link, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below this video. And again, remember, just because it came from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be for security, for surely and guaranteed 100% profit. Any signal that you are receiving here on YouTube is subjective to fail upon the news or anything else, or maybe even the analysis will be wrong. So in the end, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.